Camera's not even.
Yeah, the big group's behind you now.
Yeah, it's not like they're wanting to. It's not even wanting to find the birds.
Yeah, they're behind you. Those are crows.
I don't know, but they're. If they are, it's a no. They're not crows. Look at their wingspans. I don't know if anyone can see this, but there's a bunch of birds.
They just keep moving in circles. There it goes.
I'm just trying to focus in. I don't know if anyone's seeing anything on my phone. Oh, there was one that just went by.
Yeah, a group of them is split apart.
Yeah, that's what we're seeing is like a ton of them in the air all over the neighborhood. Oh, there's a couple more.
That is creepy.
Well, that's why I asked if Alfred Hitchcock was
The birds.
in the area, because that's what I'm going to end this now, because it's like they're starting to come over top of us. But yeah, there's like, I mean, literally,
Hundreds.
I mean, it is just weird.
There's at least a couple hundred.
Yeah, it's bizarre. I mean, let me see if I zoom out, I can't.
They're circling again.
Yeah. Apparently they're ready for their close-up.
When they do that, they usually dive.
Oh, you say that when I'm outside, you're in my car. I'm outside trying to video this, and you're like, oh, well, when they start circling, that's when they dive. Yeah, that reassures me a hell of a lot.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. Because they're honing in. Wow. They are seagulls, though.
I don't know what they are.
Close in on them.
Well, you know, it's better if you can do this than me trying to do it and break my neck as I'm bending over trying to even get them in frame, which I'm not doing that. Oh my goodness, that well.
Why, oh my goodness.
Because they're all over top of us right now. This is what we've been looking at, folks. I've been trying to zoom in on this, but yeah, this is what we saw earlier when I was trying to get the filmage of these whacked out birds. They are just absolutely insane. This is just bizarre. They're just like flying around in circles. And then they keep going back and forth to another area. It's like they're on a bombing mission or something. Sorry about the poor quality, but I try not to. I finally got them where I can actually pick up the birds. Alright, I'm going to stop filming now because that's about 4 minutes. And I finally got some of the birds coming in, but this is just, I mean, yeah, it's just insane. All right.
Fishing dock.
Yeah, we're not even, well, I mean, we're near Myers Lake, but not that close. All right, see y'all later.